What's up, YouTube? Back with another video. In today's video, we're doing an oil change on my 79 Monte Carlo. Yes, you can see, haven't changed the oil since I got the engine rebuilt. Brand new motor. The oil ain't that bad. You can see on the dipstick. But we're gonna change the oil. Put some Castro synthetic blend. And we're gonna do take y'all through the process of changing oil on old school. We got the Castro GTX 10W30. Got the frame, the oil filter frame. You get all this stuff at Walmart, nothing special. Okay, you need a ratchet with a 14mm end. And that's what we're going to use to loosen the plug on the oil pan. Yeah, right under there. The oil pan. And there was the filter right beside the oil pan. And we're going to go through the process of changing oil. And we're going to listen to the music while I change this oil. Let's go.
Dr. 808, the earth shaker, on the beat, on the beat, on the beat, on the beat.
Okay, guys, we about to put the oil in the engine. We took the old oil out. We put a new filter in. Now it's time to put in the fresh oil. And we're gonna get this fresh oil in here. Pour it on in here. And after this, we're gonna start this car up and see how she runs. Make sure there's no leaks, no fluid leaking around the filter or around the oil pan plug. So stay tuned.